Everyone, welcome back to Soft Wash Evolution for another video. This is another one about how to get new customers for your wash business. This house behind me, this actual whole property I'm just finishing up right here, this is the second time I've done this house. What's unique about it is last year it was a brand new construction build. This is my first time actually washing it to get the organic growth off, to soft wash it. The first time I washed this house, it was only a week old. I'm working for the construction company then. I brought this up in another video. I was talking about something else, but I kind of teased it a little bit. I went to a meeting with this new construction company. They build a ton of homes in this area, and I actually worked out a deal where I wash all of their new construction homes right before the new homeowner gets their new house. It's a completely untapped market. I don't know anyone else that's doing it. A lot of people say it's worthless. What are you doing? There's nothing organic on the house yet. You're not, soft washing anything, and that's true. I give them a much better deal. All I'm really doing is rinsing off construction debris. I'm getting the dirt, the pollen, all the nails and screws, construction debris, stuff that was left behind by all the subcontractors. You clean all that up for them, and you're working for the construction company. But what you get is a long-term soft wash customer for that new homeowner. There's 4 homes in this neighborhood, about to be 5, because there's an empty lot right back there. My customer's neighbor, or going to be a neighbor. There's a real estate sign on that. I'm sure you can't see it, but there's going to be another one. There's 5 in here. They've got developments with 100 homes in it. Rinsing them off, like I said, after new construction, it's pretty simple. You get yourself a quick hit right there. You don't even have to use any SH, usually just a little bit of soap and water, and then you get a long-term customer here. On this house, I washed this final sided house right here. This place is probably 2,700 square feet. You can see the fence, I'm sure. There's a vinyl fence around this entire yard. I don't even know how many panels, I have to count them. But I charge $5 a panel to do a fence. I did this shed right here behind me. I even washed all these chairs. You see these polywood chairs around the fire pit and their big patio back here. You can see they moved all of their furniture off their patio because they're a good customer. They know I require that. I washed that patio there and all the furniture. So again, a quick post-construction cleanup working for a construction company led me to this customer being a long-term. And this job's, I don't even know what the total is going to be on this. It's going to be around $1,100 or $1,200. Probably took an hour and a half to do it all. Like I said, all I got to do is the front of the house and I'm out of here. So things like that, you got to think. Don't use that term, think outside the box, because everyone uses that, and that's quickly not what thinking outside the box is. Untapped markets. If you're just throwing money at Google and Facebook and running those ads saying, I'll wash your house for $99, and you're not getting any bites, well, that's why, because everyone's doing that. You've got to do something that no one else is doing. Make friends with the construction companies. Realtors are another one. Go on Google Maps right now, look up local residential construction. Find those companies, don't get the ones that are huge. Find some of the smaller ones. Reach out, say, I own a wash business, exterior cleaning. I wash homes all the time. If you'd like, maybe we could meet up. I could wash a couple of the houses for you, show you what I could do. Maybe you've got to do a free one or two to show them, and maybe you can work out a deal that way. There's a lot of things you can do like that. I've got other videos where I talk about advertising, so if you're getting into this and you're looking to spend a little bit of money and you want to put some money into Google or Facebook or a million other ones on there, the home advisors, all those other places where you want to spend money to get leads, you can do that. But if you're looking to not spend any money, you don't really have a budget yet, and you're kind of get some free ones, this is a great way to do it. Get right on Google Maps, punch in new construction, look a couple of those up. While you're there, realtors near me. Instead of going to the big, huge real estate firms that have 100 realtors working for them, find some of the more local ones. Give them a call, shoot them an email, just say, here's a couple of the properties I've done. Your houses that you've got listed. If you want to, before you take pictures of them, why don't you have me come over and wash one of those houses, show you before and afters, how I can make that house look much better. Maybe your clients will like it. Then you can work out a relationship with that realtor. You can wash out all the houses they've got listed. I've got several of them I do that for. And then when that house gets turned over to its new owner, your card is there. Usually they put together a little binder of all the people that have taken care of the property, the lawn care guy, the wash guy, the snowplow guy, all of that, and you'll be in there too. Just grow your network. There's free ways to do it. Untapped advertising in the untapped markets are a great way to do it. Not everyone thinks of it, and you'll have your foot in the door for free. So, like I said, new construction, look it up. Thanks for watching.